the release of Pixel 3 and Pixel XL 3 in the coming months, it's not surprising that we start to see an increase in the leaks of the next Google phones. It is said to be from the clearly white color variant of Pixel XL 3. They seem to back up previous reports on the next Google phablet, including a rumor that the phone would have a notch in its face, 2 front cameras and a lower front speaker. Based on the Fastboot screen of the device, the phone in question has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of integrated storage. On the back of the device, you will notice the absence of the distinctive two-tone effect of the Pixel line, with what appears to be a reflective glass covering the entire back panel. If this is due to the headset, a prototype is unknown, although it is a hole. The glass back would make sense given the recent rumors of a new base for Pixel stand that would finally bring wireless charging functionality to Google smartphones. If this is true, it is impossible to confirm at this time, but if Google plans to follow the same launch schedule as its 2 previous generations of Pixel smartphones, then we can expect to see an official presentation around October 4, 2018.